Big day on the Bondo Brothers. We finally got the top off Project Chief. We're finishing up some body work, and Berto's pounding away with the hammer. Check it out. Like, subscribe, comment, good or bad, and Berto wants to read them all. Whoa!
This is a great tool.
What for?
This is for plug welds like this. This is a copper base, and once they give it to us for free, so we really love it. This is the #1 plug holes tool. Put it in the back side, and you feel it, and the MIG weld do not stick on the copper.
Nice!
Berto loves it. Sponsor us. Whoa.
Coca-Cola. We need a sponsor. Come on, sponsor the channel.
Welds like a miller,
Why is that?
because it's good.
Last week you hated it. Whoa! Just when you think you have found all the rust, you find some more. Go. What are you doing to my Bronco?
Fixing it.
Umberto has no problem drilling holes in customers' cars. Actually, he likes it. How's the machine working now that we hit the factory reset?
100%.
So you all right with the yellow machine now?
Just need to give him a couple more miles and then we'll see. I want to see if this machine flies like a
Bald eagle. Yeah! Bald eagle. Project. Super stretch. Sway bar is on, done. Haven't tested it yet. Coming soon.